Good morning, I'm Uldis from EveNG. In this short video I will show you how to properly make EveNG Professional Corporate Edition or EveNG Professional Learning Center licenses. I decided to record this video because if your order is incompleted or filled up incorrectly, our licensing server cannot send issued license to your email. In result, we have to refund your order and you must create a new one again. So let's start. First advice, do not use Internet Explorer, Microsoft Internet Explorer for license buying. Our merchant services does not support it. I'm using Firefox in this video. Your Eve must be installed before because we have to obtain a license request from your Eve which will be used in order form. And let's start. Buy and corporate. Corporate means that you can combine licenses for your educational, as you see, corporate or learning center licenses. Press buy now. And you can see, let's inspect this page and what to do. So base license, it is mandatory to buy. So one license which include two administrator accounts, two active administrator accounts. If you wish to add another one administrator account, so third will be then. So two you have, if you will leave one here, so three administrators will be allowed to use simultaneously that Eve, okay? And you can see that editor license, about editor, user and administrator roles. You can find full information in our EveNG Professional Cookbook, the all tables and explanations about each of those licenses. If we decide that we need not this administrator license here, look at this. I'm just pressing this cross here to remove it. Okay, and we left only what we need. So I'm going to buy, for example, 3 editors and 5. So it refreshing a page and 5 just in a free space, and a click here. And you can see your order now will be the base, which includes 2 administrators. We will have 3 editor roles and 5 users. Next, if you are buying for a company, so for personal use, of course, it is very simple. Fill up your details and card details. If you buy for company, click the company, choose your preferred payment method, wire transfer, PayPal or card, okay? And difference is that you can add company name and VIT number. VIT number is for Europe Union countries or some countries which are linked with Europe Union. Fill up your card details. In the order notes, you can add reference for your accountants, like a purchase order number, like that one. Yeah, it's free to choose, just a reference. And the most important point is a licensing file data, license request. Now we are going back. Now we are going to our Eve, sign in. Be sure that you are signing in native console, right? So let me go back. So be sure that you are not using HTML but native console. Sign in and go to licensing and license request. Okay, license request is generated. We are copying from here. Go back to your page. Okay, to order page and paste this content here. The content will be copied in a single line, but be sure that all content of license request is here. Accept the EULA and user level agreement. I strongly recommend to read it because it is important about EveNG professional license exports. Okay. And we are ready to continue. So we are pressing to continue to complete our order. After some time, you will receive the invoice from our merchant to check out. This is from other order, but it will looks like same, yeah, but with your ordered products here, okay. And within 15 to 30, maybe a little bit more time, you will receive the license data. The license data. This is your license which have to be uploaded in your Eve. So, okay. So second email will contain your license. If order is made correctly, so you will receive automatically on your email the license. So let's go upload. Once you receive it, a license from your order, go back to your eFNG. Okay. So refresh. Licensing and a license upload, the third option. Okay, and paste your license here. Good. Upload. You can see the green button appear and a new license is applied successfully. When you are checking on the top license information, and you will see that we have 2 admins, 3 editors and 5 users here. And the expiration date as well. Thank you for viewing.